Unlock your spare room's hidden potential. It's a money-making machine waiting to happen through Airbnb. Think of it, your unused space transforming into a consistent income stream, all while you sleep. What are similar Airbnb listings charging? Price competitively but highlight your unique selling points. Whether it's a stunning view or a gourmet coffee machine, showcase the room's best features in natural light, emphasizing cleanliness and comfort. Creating a welcoming experience is paramount. Think about small details, fresh linens, fluffy towels, and a welcome basket with local treats. Prompt communication is also crucial. Respond quickly to inquiries and be available to address any guest needs. Automate where you can. Smart locks for easy check-in, pre-written welcome messages, and a detailed house manual can save you time and effort. Don't forget about legalities. Finally, consistently ask for reviews. Positive feedback builds trust and attracts more bookings, ensuring your Airbnb side hustle becomes a thriving passive income ATM. Remember to reinvest some earnings back into the property to maintain